children.
Hello, curious explorers on the island of knowledge. Most people think Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. But is it really? What if I told you that it all depends on how we measure? I found out that if we measure mountains from their true base and not from sea level, Everest has a strong competitor. I invited everyone to discover this geographical puzzle with me. At the Waterfall of Facts, I met the capuchin and the butterfly. The capuchin believed that the tallest mountain is the one with the sharpest peak. She said that the pointier the top, the closer it is to the sky, so it must be the highest. The butterfly thought that the height of a mountain depends on how long it takes to fly around it. He explained that the mountain you fly around the longest must be the biggest and tallest. I explained to them that the height of a mountain is measured from its base to its top, not by its shape or how wide it is. But the most important thing is where the base is, on land or deep underwater. At the Wreck of Knowledge, I met the ibis and the rhinoceros. The ibis shared that when he builds a nest on top of a tall tree, he sees it as the highest point around. But he noticed that if the same tree grew in a deep valley, its top would be lower than the surrounding hills. The rhinoceros added that when he climbs a small hill, he feels like he is on top of the world. Only when he looks around and sees real snowy peaks in the distance does he realize how tricky perspective can be. I agreed that these are great examples. What seems highest depends on the starting point we use for measuring. At the Reef of Mysteries, I met the vulture and the tiger. I decided to check what they knew about the tallest mountains. The vulture explained that Mount Everest is the highest mountain above sea level. The tiger added that the tallest mountain measured from base to top is Mauna Kea in Hawaii. He said that most of it is hidden underwater, and its total height from the ocean floor is over 10,000 meters, much more than Everest. I praised them for their knowledge and summed up that the title of tallest mountain depends on the way we measure. Dear explorers, today we discovered that even facts that seem obvious, like which mountain is the tallest, can be more complicated. We learned that Mount Everest is the highest when measured from sea level, but from its base, the hidden giant Mauna Kea in the ocean is even taller. This is a wonderful lesson that shows how important it is to ask questions and be precise in science. See you on the next adventures on the Island of Knowledge.